This is the Tesla Model 3, and as you may know, there is a 12-volt power outlet here. And if it doesn't work, you may think, okay, there is certainly a fuse somewhere in this car. But unfortunately, or fortunately, Tesla Model 3 doesn't use fuses at all. So it doesn't have physical fuses, like traditional fuses like in other cars. It has fuses in circuit boards, it has fusible links, it has different functions in its software that will cut off power to some devices when they are overloaded, overheated, but it doesn't use traditional fuses. And that's why you can't replace a fuse in this vehicle. So what you need to do, if you connected something big, something powerful to the 12-volt power outlet and it stopped working, such as the fuse was blown, you need to wait up to 90 minutes and it will reset. So these fuses, the e-fuses that Tesla Model 3 uses, they can reset on their own. You don't need to do anything. And this is one way to solve the problem. The other way is to press the steering wheel buttons, both buttons, simultaneously, and keep them for several seconds, and this will reset the screen, and you may eventually get the system to work much earlier than 60 minutes. So no, there is no power outlet fuse that you can replace easily in a Tesla Model 3.